Hi, I'm Jeff Moisan with Home Group Realty. Welcome to Liberty Square in the south end of Guelph. I've just listed an exceptional one-bedroom condo in this complex, so let's go take a look inside and see what the building and the unit are all about. Liberty Square is perfect for first-time home buyers, professionals, and investors. This unit has a fantastic layout with a spacious kitchen that offers plenty of counter space and a balcony that overlooks the natural environment buffer that separates the neighboring property. It also has a spacious master bedroom, 4-piece bath, and the convenience of in-suite laundry. Even though it's been owned for only a year, this unit appears to be brand new. In fact, the dishwasher, washer, and dryer have never been used, and you could barely tell that the home has been lived in at all. Also included with this condo are one surface-level parking space and a secure storage locker. The location of Liberty Square is fantastic, being just steps from the bus stop and all the South End amenities. There are too many restaurants and food options to even begin mentioning them all, and 3 grocery stores all within walking distance. As you can see, this condo has plenty to offer. Give me a call today before it's gone. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I look forward to hearing from you.